Hello and welcome to another lily and daffodil update. You can see there the Martagon hybrids are starting to come up, and this is my other favorite daffodil, bridal choice. It has a really nice peppery fragrance. You can see that the other nameless daffodils are also in bloom, and the arum has beautiful leaves, and it's a tulip, a parrot tulip, pink wave I believe, and it's coming up nicely. Look at the lovely Martagons. I have cut the rose back, you can see, small, and I think we're going to have Monilia on the apricots because it's raining and cool, moist weather is very favorable to Monilia. So these are older Martagon hybrids, and this is Viola labradorica. It's not native in Europe, I believe, but it looks very nice. It flowers a lot. But maybe I'm mistaken and it could be another European violet. I'm not very familiar with violets. I mean, I can see one, and you can see the mixed hyacinth and a lot of buds coming up on the daffodils. This is a Tazetta daffodil. Unfortunately, I have to pick this stem, so it's got a really nice long stem. And early hair is also in bloom, and another Tazetta daffodil, and quail. I love quail. It's a lovely yellow one with a lot of flowers, and it's very persistent in the garden. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.